Governance is a broad term, which refers to the physical management of power and policy making. Governance can be applied to different contexts, such as corporate governance, international or global governance, national governance, and local governance. The focus is always on the complex of formal and informal institutions, mechanisms, relationships, and processes between and among states, markets, citizens and organizations, both inter- and non-governmental, through which collective interests on the global plane are articulated, rights and obligations are established, and differences are mediated. Good governance, understood as governance being consensus-oriented, accountable, transparent, responsive, equitable and inclusive, effective and efficient and responsive to the present and future needs of society, has become an important yardstick of respect for human rights.